Hello guys, this is Ivan and best regards from Seaside. I'm still on my vacation next 5 days. So today it will be very short video, no new trades, but good news for you is that our super promo offer from last Friday will be still in action. So you go to my webpage forex.protools.com, click to special offers, and you will see that we have a free turbo packages, promo summer packages. You see, you can choose yourself any package. In each package, you can choose any 2, 3, or 4 products from my web page. First package is very cheap, €147, and you can choose any 2 products from my web. Second package is 197, any 3 products from my web page. And last one, any 4 products from my web page. Of course, always it is your choice. And this is a comment note. In each package, you should have only at least one indicator. So in this 4 products package, one must be indicator. So you can choose even 3 expert advisors. Sorry, guys. But one must be indicator. Also here, 3 products, you can choose 3 indicators, but you cannot choose 3 expert advisors. You can choose 2 expert advisors plus 1 indicator. Or here, you can choose any 2 products, but one must be indicator. 1 indicator plus expert advisor or 2 indicators. More about this you can see here. This offer is, oh, it is mistake. It will be valid until 11th, not 10th, but until Monday. So more 3 days, guys. So you go to homepage or to products, indicators, expert advisors, and you choose any turbo hybrid V1. For example, this 167, and I don't know, you want DC 500. This is a package 1, or you want expert advisor, reactor scalper, or engulfing, or ADEX turbo. You get it in any package of your choice, and you choose. So in package 3, you can choose 3 expert advisors. Let's see, X Turbo Trader, you can choose this one, Trendy Trader. This is already 600 and something euros. Then you want ADEX. This is about 900 euros. And for example, you will take one indicator. This is more than $1,000 worth, and go to special offers. So for 1,000 and something, you pay only 247. This is only an example. So you have 3 days. You can choose anything. Maybe this is V20 plus. This is Trendy Trader. Maybe this is Turbo Hybrid with 2 not repainted indicators put in one strategy. So this is 2 not repainted strategies in one. That's why the name is hybrid. So you can choose this fantastic not repainted, or both arrows or circles are not repainted. I explained many times how to use it. You wait, for example, for first one, and then prepare if you get a circle. then you enter the trade, but always in sell zone under this pink. For buy, you see here, and you must wait. You will get at the same time both. Then it means that you can immediately at the close of current candle, you must wait closing of the current candle and then enter the trade. So this is how this works. So guys, it would be all very short video. The main thing is that the promo offer will be extended for more 3 days. So you can choose any of these free packages next 3 days. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.